The railroad has shaped the history of Tennessee, and at Nathan Bedford Forest State Park, we're no exception. The landmass that you see in front of you now was once the Nashville and Northwest Railroad Bridge that crossed the Tennessee River. This bridge was built shortly after the Civil War, extending the rail line from Johnsonville, Tennessee to Eva, Tennessee. Over time, these two communities became bustling hubs of railroad commerce. From this peninsula, looking out onto Kentucky Lake, it's hard to imagine a rail line ever coming through here. But if you look closely, traces of the past still remain just beneath your feet. The bridge itself was constructed of large fir timbers, as you see here. We have replicated a section of the trestle here at the park to help tell the story of the railroad in Eva. What is today a recreational area was once the site of the Eva Depot, which served until the formation of Kentucky Lake in 1945. From here, trains were loaded with commercial goods such as agricultural products, as well as postage and passengers. Over the years, the bridge fell victim to flooding and collapse. It had to be repaired many times. As a result, when Kentucky Lake was formed, the bridge was moved along with its associated rail lines from Johnsonville and Eva to New Johnsonville and Camden. Today, the Eva Station Railroad Trail helps to preserve the legacy of the Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis Railroad in Tennessee. Visitors can see a reconstructed mail crane or a fully restored signal light. You can safely get an up-close and personal view of how track and tie plate were laid. And we've provided interpretive panels to give more detailed information about how this track served the community. Just what the railroad meant to the area that is now Nathan Bedford Forest State Park. Thank you.